Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zelle limit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and check your current Zelle limits. Daily or weekly limits are determined by your bank and they can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. To find out your current Zelle transfer limits, log into your bank app or website and check the specific rules regarding Zelle. Upgrade or change your bank account. High tier accounts may come with higher Zelle limits. For example, if you have a basic account with your bank, upgrading to a premium or business account could increase your Zelle transfer limit. Third is contact your bank to request an increase. In some cases, your bank may be willing to temporarily or permanently increase your Zelle limit, especially if you've been doing a long-time customer or have a good banking relationship. Use multiple transfers. If your bank doesn't allow you to increase your limits, you can split a large transaction into multiple transfers across several days or weeks. Keep in mind that Zelle limits are often based on daily or weekly cycles, so spreading your transfer across several days might help if you need to send a larger amount. Try using other payment methods. If a Zelle limit isn't sufficient and your bank cannot increase it, consider using another transfer method that may have higher limits. Consider business Zelle accounts. If you are using Zelle for business transaction, signing up for a Zelle for business account might offer higher limits. Many banks offer higher transaction limits for business accounts versus personal accounts. Verify your identity. Some banks may have lower limits for unverified accounts. If your Zelle limit is low, ensure that your bank has complete information including your full name, address and social security number. Understand bank specific Zelle limits. Each bank sets its own Zelle transfer limits. Plan ahead for larger transfers. If you need to send more than the Zelle limit allows and cannot change your limit, plan ahead by breaking the transfer into smaller amounts and sending them over a period of time. And that's basically how to fix Zelle limit. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.